My dear students, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be explaining important case studies from the MBA 4th semester subject Performance Management as prescribed by Osmania University and other universities across Telangana. We'll go through each case study one by one, along with questions and answers, in a simple and easy to understand manner. Let's get started. Case Study 1 Performance Planning at Greentech PVT Ltd. Based on Unit 1 Introduction to PM. Greentech PVT Limited, a company that manufactures solar panels, was facing delays in project completion. The HR manager realized that employees were not clear about their roles and performance targets. The company had no proper performance planning system, and there was confusion over who should do what. The HR department decided to implement a performance management cycle that included clear KPIs, key performance areas, and trait, behavior, and result-based appraisals. With the new system, each employee received a performance plan that clearly mentioned their job expectations and targets. Managers discussed these plans with their teams and offered regular feedback. This helped employees improve job clarity and responsibility. The result was better performance, faster project delivery, and higher employee satisfaction. Questions and answers. 1. Why was Greentech facing project delays? Because employees were unclear about their roles and targets. 2. What solution did HR use to solve the problem? They introduced a performance management cycle with KPIs and regular feedback. 3. What was the result of using this system? Employees performed better, and project delivery became faster. Next case study 2, 360-degree appraisal at Star Hospital. Based on Unit 2, Performance Appraisal. Star Hospital had a growing concern about how to evaluate doctors and staff fairly. Earlier, only the department head gave performance ratings. This caused bias and unfair reviews. So, the hospital introduced a 360-degree appraisal system where feedback came from seniors, juniors, peers, and even patients. Self-appraisals were also added. The hospital also used role-play, critical incident worksheets, and psychometric tests to assess behavior and decision-making skills. With this, performance reviews became more honest and helpful. Doctors started understanding their weaknesses better and worked on improving communication, teamwork, and medical accuracy. Questions and answers. 1. What problem did Star Hospital face with its old appraisal method? It was biased because only one manager gave feedback. 2. How did 360-degree appraisal help? It gave feedback from multiple sources, making it fair and useful. 3. What extra tools were used for better evaluation? Role play, psychometric tests, and critical incident worksheets. Next case study 3, Benchmarking at Orion Textiles. Based on Unit 3, Performance Benchmarking. Orion Textiles wanted to increase the productivity of its workers in the stitching department. The company used performance benchmarking to compare its process with top-performing companies. Using diagnostic benchmarking, they studied how successful textile companies trained their workers, managed time, and used machines. They also applied the Yerkes-Dodson law, which says that performance improves with moderate stress, but too much stress reduces it. Orion balanced work pressure and gave short breaks to keep employees energetic. They used the EFQM model to measure quality and made several small improvements. In just 3 months, productivity increased by 30%. Questions and answers. 1. What is benchmarking and how did Orion use it? Benchmarking means comparing with the best. Orion used it to improve stitching productivity. 2. What law was used to balance work pressure? Yerkes-Dodson law, which links stress and performance. 3. What was the result of benchmarking and small changes? Productivity improved by 30% in 3 months. Next case study 4. Competency mapping in life care insurance. Based on Unit 4, Competency Mapping and Pay Plans. Life care insurance wanted to promote only those employees who had the right skills, not just based on seniority. So, they used competency mapping to identify what knowledge, attitude, and skills were required for each job role. They used tools like the MBA Managerial Competency Model and Balanced Scorecard to assess employees. After identifying competency gaps, training was arranged. They also introduced competency-based pay, where high performers got better bonuses and benefits under a cafeteria benefits plan. This motivated employees to upskill themselves. Performance, contribution, and potential became the key factors for career growth. Questions and answers. 1. Why did life care insurance use competency mapping? To promote based on skills, not just seniority. 2. Which tools were used for assessing employees? MBA model and balanced scorecard. 3. What change motivated employees to improve? Competency-based pay and training programs. Next case study 5. Performance models at DigiServe Ltd. Based on Unit 5, Performance Metrics and Models. DigiServe Limited, a digital marketing company, wanted to improve overall organizational performance. They started using Spangenberg's integrated model, which included performance planning, feedback, and employee development. Managers set clear targets and gave monthly feedback. They also used the Sears model, which connects employee satisfaction, customer happiness, and business growth. To dig deeper, HR used Gilbert's behavior engineering model to find whether performance issues were due to lack of tools, training, or motivation. This helped them fix problems smartly without blaming employees. Within 4 months, client satisfaction increased and employee engagement improved. Questions and answers. 1. Which two models were used by DigiServe? Spangenberg's integrated model and Sears model. 2. What does the Sears model show? That employee satisfaction leads to customer satisfaction and profits. 3. How did Gilbert's model help HR? It helped find real reasons for poor performance like missing tools or training.